welcome back to Pabbly. Come, I'll show you how we're going to create this automation where we're going to send automated SMS to every new Shopify order we receive. So to do this, I've opened the workflow builder of Pabbly Connect. And if you are an existing user like me, directly log in inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder. But if you are a new user, you're going to get the Pabbly Connect's landing page URL in the description box below. So go on that URL in the top right corner, you're going to get the option of sign up for free. Click on sign up for free and you are going to get 100 of tasks free every month to explore Pabbly Connect. Then come inside Pabbly Connect and open your workflow builder and follow me. So this is the most important window of our automation because we have trigger and action in this. Trigger and actions are the two main principles on which our workflow is going to run. Trigger means when this happens and action means do this. So by this you can understand that the trigger starts the process and the actions are results towards the same. So to get started, we have to click on this add trigger button. For the trigger application, we have to select it as Shopify. So let's search for Shopify and select Shopify V2. For the event, we have to select new order and click on this connect. Now we have received this webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL and open your Shopify account. From the left end of the site, go on this settings. After you come on this settings, you have to go towards this notifications. Once you come on this notifications, go on this webhooks available and click on this create webhook. Now for the event, select it as order creation. So I'm going to look for the same and select it. For the format, keep it as JSON. For the URL, simply paste the URL which you copied from the workflow. Select the API version as the latest and click on this save. Once you click on this save, as you can see, the webhook URL has been added right over here. And now to adding this webhook URL, we have created a connection between Shopify and Pabbly Connect, but now it is saying waiting for webhook response. And how are we going to capture this webhook response? So to capture this webhook response, I'm going to open my Shopify, go back, and I'm going to open my online store. And I'm going to purchase a new product or make a new order. Alright, so let's say I'm going to purchase this dress. Alright, so let's click on buy it now. And I'm going to purchase this dress as dummy user. So let's say I'm going to enter my details. For the email address, I'm going to keep it as dummy@pabblytunes.com. For the first name, I'm going to keep it as demo. Last name as user. You're going to see the rest of the details. Now I'm going to enter the card details right over here, and after entering my card details, I'm going to click on this pay now. Once we click on this pay now, you're going to see that we have successfully purchased this product and we have completed this order. Alright, so now let's open our workflow and you're going to see 1 second ago Pabbly has also captured the response for the same. You're going to see all the details which we entered. I'm just going to show you all the details. So as you can see, the name, the phone number, over you're going to see all the details which we entered during the purchase of that dress. And now I'm going to send an automated thank you SMS, or you can say confirmation SMS to this. For that, I'm going to click on this add new action step. For the action application, I'm going to search for Twilio and select Twilio. I'm going to use Twilio to send automated SMSs. You can use any another application too. Pabbly supports most of them. For the event, you have to select send SMS message and click on this connect. Once we click on this connect, it is asking me to add a new connection or select an existing connection. So if you have already created a connection between Twilio and Pabbly Connect, click on the select existing connection and then save. But if you haven't, follow me, click on add a new connection. Now it is asking me for the account SID authorization token and account SID. And how are we going to get this? For that, you have to open your Twilio account and come on the account dashboard and scroll. You're going to see the account SID. So what you have to do is you have to copy and paste the account SID right over here. You have to make sure that you paste the account SID 2 times, one over here and one right over here. Now for the authorization token, copy the auth token right from here and paste it in your workflow. After pasting all of these 3, click on this save and your Twilio account will be connected with Pabbly Connect. Now after connecting this, it is asking for the body of the SMS. So I'm going to enter the body of the SMS. Hi name, thanks for ordering product name. Your order is confirmed and will be shipped soon. Alright, so instead of this name, I'm going to enter the name of my customer, but we are not going to enter it manually, but instead we are going to map it. So you must be wondering what is mapping. So mapping is a method by Pabbly which means inserting the data from the previous step. And when we insert the data from the previous step, automatically our data becomes dynamic and change with every new response received. So as you can see, I've mapped only the first name because I want to send personalized SMSs to all my customers. Alright, now I'm going to also map the product name, which is the item name. So I'm going to search for the dress which they purchased and you're going to see that this is the dress. So I'm going to map this this name too. I'm just going to select this product name and map it. Now you can see we have completed this body of SMS. It is asking me for the sender's number. So as you can see over here, under this auth token is my Twilio phone number, which is the sender's number. So copy this and paste it right over here in this sender's number field. Now for the recipient number, map the number of your customer. Alright, so I'm going to simply map the number of my customer. Now after mapping this, I'm going to click on the save and send test request. But before we click on the save and send test request, I'll just let you know that this is a dummy phone number. So I'm just going to replace this dummy phone number with the original phone number so that I can show the message and the response received. Now after entering this, I'm going to click on this save and send test request. And once we're going to click on this save and send test request, we have received the positive response that we have successfully sent this SMS. So over here I've replaced the number because I used the dummy number while creating a new order. But you have to make sure that you map this recipient number. It is very important. And you're going to see that with this we have completed our workflow. So now let me show you the SMS. And you can see that we have successfully received this SMS which says, sent from your Twilio trial account, hi demo, thanks for ordering blush affair cord set. Your order is confirmed and will be shipped soon. So as you can see, this line is being sent because I'm using a Twilio trial account, but if you're using a Twilio paid account, this line won't be sent towards your customer. The message will start from hi. So yes, you can see with this we have successfully completed our workflow. Now whenever we're going to receive a new order from Shopify, an automated SMS, something like this will be sent towards our customer. So yes, now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we're offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect. And while trying, if you have any questions related to the video or the workflow, you can directly comment on this video. For your reference, I'll add the workflow URL of my workflow in the description box below so that you can access my workflow. See you in the next video with many more automation tips, everyone. Thank you for watching. So not only these applications, but with the help of Pabbly Connect, you can connect many more applications. And now if you have any doubts, you can reach us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can reach us at forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issues, you can follow this URL. And now go try this amazing automation for your own business too, because right now we are offering a free trial of Pabbly Connect.